Hi there, my name is Pastel, and I'm so happy you're here. Today, we are drawing this beautiful butterfly using the letter Y. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open up my sketchbook. And today, I am just using crayons. You can use any color you like. I think I feel like using orange today. So the first thing we'll do is we are going to write a big letter Y. There we are. And next, I'm going to start from the very tip top of this side, and I'm going to draw a big curved line and another curved line all the way down to meet this straight line. And this is our butterfly's first wing. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to start at the very tip top. Then I'll draw a curved line down to about here. And then another curved line to meet in the middle. And now our butterfly has two wings. So let's give our butterfly two antennas now. 1, 2. There we are. And there is our butterfly. Let's go ahead and do it again. I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use pink, and I'm going to make a smaller one. I feel like making lots of butterflies today. So I'm going to write a letter Y, then 2 curved lines for the wing, 2 curved lines for the other wing, and 2 antennas. And now I have 2 butterflies. Here, let's draw one more, maybe up here. I'm going to write a letter Y, then a wing, then another wing. I know I said one more, but I feel like drawing more butterflies, and that's always fun. Did you know that a group of butterflies is called a kaleidoscope? A kaleidoscope of butterflies. How cute is that? All right. Well, I think that's enough butterflies for me today. How did yours turn out? I hope you feel so proud. You did so well today, and I feel so proud of you. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.